1000 Museum Penthouse, Miami. Designed by the legendary Zaha Hadid, the 1000 Museum Penthouse in Miami is a masterpiece of modern architecture. Spanning over 10,000 square feet, this residence offers stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean and the Miami skyline. The penthouse includes 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and a private helipad. The interiors are designed with a futuristic aesthetic, featuring custom-made furnishings, marble floors, and floor-to-ceiling windows. The master suite is a luxurious retreat, complete with a walk-in wardrobe, a marble-clad bathroom, and a private terrace. The expansive living and dining areas are perfect for entertaining, while the private elevator ensures convenience and privacy. Residents of 1000 Museum enjoy a range of exclusive amenities, including a private gym, a swimming pool, and a spa. The building's emphasis on privacy and security ensures that residents can enjoy their opulent surroundings in peace. With a price tag of $49 million, this penthouse is a testament to the height of luxury living in Miami.